Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here long chain alkyl compound is given which has alcohol, alkene and you have phenyl. You have to find what is the IUPAC name of the compound. Here you have to analyze the situation differently because it has two functional groups. One is OH, one is pH. You have to know the fact that functional group has always higher priority than phenyl. So the numbering starts from OH side. OH on second position, phenyl on seventh position. Then you should know the configuration because the compound is chiral there. So it is A, B, C, D. D is on front side. The configuration will be reversed because hydrogen should be on back side. It is on front. So the real configuration is reversed there. So if you do the configuration, it is R. Then if you look at the alkene, that is also stereochemically specified. It's trans. So if you look at the priority, it's a E configuration. It's a trans configuration. If you look at the IUPAC name of the compound is 2S, 3E, 7-phenyl, hept 3 in 2-all. The concept you have to learn here is always stereochemistry comes before the name of the compound and you have to always specify the stereochemical facts. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.